what is better, co-education or separate education? You may start speaking. Whosoever wants to initiate can
Good
initiate.
evening, everyone.
Good.
Good evening, everyone. I am Khushi. I would like to give my thoughts about this topic. What is good? I am also studying in the combined education, but I like to say I go prefer to separate education is better than the combined education, because in the separate education the girls are very free. They can ask, and they are very interact and very close to their teachers, and they are very free in their classroom. So I think separate education is very better for especially females. Thank you for listening to me.
But Khushi ma'am, nowadays our world and are very increased day by day. So I think co-education is better, because all the persons in future go to the public places. So it is not. It is very typical to there that when he does not when he does not task to the task, and they cannot speak to the other sex, they how can they survive survive so it is very difficult that if the persons go to the separate education. So I think it is very necessary to all the persons, they talk to the other persons, because this is very
I am totally agree with Vimmy ma'am. I am totally agree with Vimmy ma'am. Actually, nowadays we are always talking about the similarity between boys and girls. So we should not separate the people because basis on the sex. They should they should have, everyone has right to get education at their choice, at their similar, on the basis of similarity. So on the basis of he is a boy or she is a girl, so we should not discriminate the people on the basis of these things. So everyone should have right to get study in the in the co-education schools. If they it has very good for the development of the girls, development of the girls, because in the after the school everyone have to go outside of the school, and in they have to interact in the society, and society have both boys and girls. So we should not discriminate if he is a female or he is a male. Everyone has right to get education. Only in India has this type of discrimination, or underdeveloped countries have this type of discrimination. So we should not, I'm not in the favor of separate education for the male and female.
Yes, ma'am, but India is not a developed country. India is underdeveloped country, and in India there is yes,
that
and
is
India
the main reason. That is the main reason India is not developed if we compare to the other countries. That is the main reason.
We have to take steps. We have to take steps with the help of each other.
In India there is also villages and towns are also there. If you can go back in the villages, there is not a lot of facilities, and their girls are not a lot of
that's why we should promote the co-education facility. If it is a village, or if it is a city.
I also at the student of age, it is good for the females and male, both of them. They can feel, they can enjoy their class, because the many of the boys teases the girls. The girls are very shy in the classrooms because they can't very
more chance to more chance to distraction.
Yes,
in co-education. More chances.
Distraction.
I want to say here. I want attention on this point also. When the both genders are studying in the same institute or in a same school college, the good manners are also need in front of the other opposite gender. Girls have to learn about more how they should behave with boys, or boys also have learned how they should pay respect or the for ladies or girls. That's why I say co-education is, I'm also in the favor of co-education.
And the learning system is also, we can learn at our home, we can learn our society. That is not
Ma'am,
important. We
I'm
should learn
totally,
in the
ma'am, I'm
co-education.
totally disagreed with this point. Girls shy in the co-ed education. If female and boys have, sorry, female
Ma'am,
and
it's
male
all
has,
depend of nature.
yes,
And
yes,
family
yes,
background,
please, yes, ma'am. But ma'am,
but
Khushi ma'am said they feel
yes, ma'am,
shy.
separate
So
education
it
is
should be.
better.
No, ma'am, it is not better because
No, ma'am. In 12th, till 12th,
Ma'am,
girls
it
should
is
be
in the
separated.
college life, the girls are very free. But if you can see at 1 to 12, the lifestyle, they are very totally different from the
if
the villages.
ma'am, actually ma'am, you are not thinking about the personality development, because when woman and girl will get they will get separate education, how they will get confidence against the domestic violence.
Domestic
Those
violence,
women,
ma'am, in the students' time, there is not a lot of domestic violence
no
on their
ma'am,
mind.
ma'am, no ma'am, not a student life, but grooming starts from the childhood, from the first class. Grooming start of the child.
And if he studies their children in a only a gender wise schools, that is more problem in the future, because when the children is study to,
And ma'am, boys cannot learn how to respect the woman.
there is a few universities, there is a separate
And the boys
education.
learn how to respect
Ma'am,
women. That is not only in the school. They have to learn their home. They have to learn their society. That
no
is
ma'am,
not only
but ma'am,
You are
learning
right.
starts from the school now. Learning starts from
Okay.
the school.
Okay.
So it should
Mimi
be.
ma'am,
start
Bhavna ma'am,
from
and Gora ma'am, I
at
would
home.
like to ask you one question. If you want separate
Yes, ma'am.
co-education in the colleges and universities and schools, then tell me, in co-education, why toilets are separated, why students are sitting separately in the classrooms, why there is a
No, sir.
separation when there is a queue. In most of the colleges, in most of the schools, there is a separation in
happening,
the
ma'am.
classrooms. Why this is why this is there? Why teachers are denying them to sit together? This is not fair.
Because
If they are saying no, they are double standard. If they are saying there is a co-education, they should be sitting together. And in the queue also, when at the time of assembly, they are having a different queues. Boys are standing in a boys queue, girls are standing in a girls queue. Why it is happening? Why they are creating the separation? If they are maintaining the equality, then equality should be everywhere.
So because first of all, there is a no camera on the toilet, so this facilities is not.
So you agree with
there.
this thing that boys will create problem or girls will create problem?
So because sometimes the reason, because that types of situations are created by the owner of the school. If the schools are separated, their manager or CEO are going to goes to the toilet, and they molested to the girls. That
No, you are
is
talking about learning, no? So learning should be of any kind. Learning should be of any kind, whether it is a low level or high level. I'm talking about class also. In the class, the girls are separated, boys are separated. There are 3 rows.
Sir, this is the
Why
sir,
this is happening?
toilets are separated. Sir, toilets are separated. This
Okay,
is the
let's not discuss about toilets.
this is
I'm
the
talking
this is the
about
topic.
classrooms
This
also.
is the talking.
I'm
this
talking
is
about
the matter
classrooms
of
also. In the classroom, there is a
privacy.
separation.
Sir, this is the topic.
The girls are sitting in the mid, or the girls are sitting in the behind, and the boys are sitting in the mid. That because the girls and boys are, they do not, they can't talk to each other. So nowadays the teacher sit the boy or girl in the middle.
Same bench. Yes, you
They
are
are
right, ma'am.
talking with each other too much.
But one thing,
Ma'am, but it is not happening in all these schools. I have seen many of the schools in which co-education is going on, but boys and girls are sitting separately. They are not sitting together. And there's a kind of punishment which is given by the teacher that if any student is misbehaving, then if he is a boy, then sits with a girl, means she makes that boy sit with girls. And similarly, it happens with the girls also. This is kind of a punishment. They consider it as a punishment that boys are sitting among the girls and girls are sitting among the boys, means that that child has been punished. So this is a punishment. What you are talking about, there's no equality. They are creating
Sir,
inequality and discrimination among these
sir,
students.
But there are
this
so many,
punishment is very old.
sir, there are so many competitions held in the school where the boys candidate or the girls candidate give a equal strength. If the competition held in their school or state level or other or out of the school.
Okay,
So-
I would like to ask you
Sorry.
one thing. Why students go to school? They go to school just to learn something, to get educated. That's it. They'll go and get educated. They will complete their syllabus. What others they would like to do there? What other things they would like to do there? Nothing else, I think. So they should
Sir,
go and
actually,
study normally. Yes,
School
Priya.
is
sir,
not
I
only,
want to.
school is not only responsible for their studying the syllabus, but they also develop a good civic sense in the student.
Yes, sir. So we have
Actually,
to
sir.
study together.
First class
Okay, ma'am.
of
Then
a
I would
child
like
is
to ask. I would like to ask one more thing. There are many schools which are having co-education. They are hiring only female teachers. Why they are creating inequality there?
Sir, because females are very good to handle the children.
That means you are saying the gender who comes under the
Yes,
male
yes,
are
yes.
not good at all.
No, sir, they want one thing is that females are very easy. The handling of children is very easy for the women, and such women can stay for the long time, for the long period,
Ma'am,
but
what are you
men
talking about? It has
cannot
been
stay.
seen that many of the female teachers can't handle the students of higher education. They have to hire male faculties
choice
for
is,
handling
sir,
the kids
the
who are studying
choice
in
is,
seniors
sir,
higher secondary.
everyone can choose her actually their career according to his choice, but sir, this is not the matter of co-education or equality.
Ma'am, in co-education, one work is more how to impress any girl or any boy. Nowadays,
There is a lot
children
of
have
distraction.
Distraction,
And studies.
disturbance. They are busy in making friendship.
Just-
They are busy in doing these types of activities, making an affair and all.
And
So
in the co-ed, the girls, the
Affair
boys are
can be
teasing the
anywhere.
girls a lot.
Sir, affair can be anywhere, so affair is not the
similarly, learning can be
responsible for the.
anywhere. Similarly, learning can be anywhere. Then why it is
studied in
there
the
only in
girls.
But sir,
schools?
grooming is also important. Sir, grooming is also important for the boys and girls also
You
equally.
mean to say those who are studying separately are not groomed at all? They are
They
groomed, ma'am.
groom.
They are also it depends
are
on the
groomed,
teachers,
but
on
they are
faculties,
groomed.
on atmosphere. Atmosphere creates grooming. People
Sir,
do not
I-
create
But
grooming.
sir,
I want to say that in front of gate of girls school, who stand out there? Only the boys.
Obviously, ma'am, boys will stand there. Why girls will stand there?
Then, then I think co-education is.
But it not happened outside the co-ed school.
Yes.
because
And
they are
sir,
getting proper
I would like
facility.
to say that
There is a
I would
proper
like to say
setup,
that
proper arrangement for
classroom.
girls and boys to create kind of affair and all those things.
sir,
There is a proper
actually
setup.
But
Management
ma'am,
has
in the
actually
created
class
this
they
thing.
are in the
Affair
class
can
they
be
are
anywhere,
able
sir.
to
Affair can be
understand.
anywhere.
That's why
sir,
I'm saying, na
actually I
ma'am,
would like to say that
anything can happen
sir,
anywhere. Ji, Priya Saini.
I would like to say that every parents wants their children to study in co-ed, but when
No, ma'am.
their children
Not
are
every
growing,
parents.
let me finish. When their children are growing, they go to the school and talk to teacher that please please provide my child like they have a girl, so they said that please
No.
my daughter is settled in the girls section
How it
because
can be, ma'am? I never heard this.
I saw that, sir. I saw that with my own eyes because when I go for the PTM, I saw that some parents came and asked the teacher to please sit my daughter with the girls section and please take care of her because there are some issues between the boys and girls there.
Yes,
So they
And
are
yes,
scared.
ma'am.
It
there
means
are
they
a
are
lot of
scared.
yes,
Yes,
they are
yes.
scared, but they want their child to study in the co-education.
Because there is no facility for separate education. That's why.
Where is not
Sir, everywhere is the facility
everywhere
of
this facility
uh,
of
separate
But
education
ma'am,
is
in the
also there
separate
and co-ed
education, there is a lot
education
of
is also
fees
there.
are there. If the high profile schools, there is a lot of fees. So the
no
parents could
ma'am.
not
In
able to.
co-ed has very high fees. In
Ma'am,
co-ed
government
schools has very high fees.
No, ma'am. In yes, but in the the
But in a
co-ed
school, but
facility,
school girls of a school has low fees has.
ma'am, in the co-ed facility is not given by any state
But sir,
schools.
there is a one
there are
thing.
so many
The
schools in
government
our
schools
Government
is
is a
state.
not
co-ed
facility
school.
co-ed education.
Who's-
Is not facility of separate education. The government schools
So
is
there
only
is one thing.
facilitated the co-ed education. That's
Ma'am,
why
this
the
thing
parents
has
has
also been observed in schools that most of the opposite genders in front of means there is a teacher, right? And she is female, and girls are also there, boys are also there. And if any boy wants to ask something related to biology, there is a subject, and which you must have heard about reproductive system. Then boys feel shy, and teachers are also uncomfortable. Sometimes they are unable to teach properly to both the genders. They feel they don't feel comfortable. This is the problem in the co-education. When they are separated, teachers teach properly. Male teachers are teaching boys and female teachers are teaching females, so they can be more open with each other.
yes, sir.
They
But
can
sir,
teach everything in deeply.
in
But
boys school, every principal wants that there is a female teacher.
Wanted what is the reproduction system, and they asked many more questions to the teacher, and she
But
said
ma'am, they can feel shy.
To want to
How
know.
much is
only
there? But a boy is boy and a girl is girl.
So boys are not shy, only girls are
Boys
shy
are
because
also shy. No, 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 ma'am.
their
Boys
questions
are also shy to ask the questions.
Pardon?
Boys are also shy to ask the questions. They're also
No,
not.
no.
All the genders feel shy, ma'am. All the genders.
Yes, ma'am. All the genders will shy.
But nowadays I saw the if the children are goes to the public school, they never shy, and they are very smart nowadays. It is the situation only in the villages that they if the boys and the girls, they always shy.
no, it's depend upon the
It's the
personality
fact.
of the child. Every student is unique. They have
Yes,
their own nature. It's not
But
depend
sir,
upon the
it's a
background of the child. He or she comes from the village or from the city. No, every
but sir,
personality
it's the
has its
fact.
own.
It's the fact that co-ed students are very comfortable with each other, except the single school education.
And I want to give
But they are more comfortable with their education than talking to each other and interacting with each other. They are more.
After some time, they have to face. after some time they have to face reality that they have to go in the college, and when there is a boy, they feel very shy that time.
Ma'am, Khushi ma'am
Ma'am,
has already
They are
answered
very
this
hesitant.
question.
ma'am.
Khushi ma'am has already answered
Nowadays,
this question. They will not be learning everything from the college and school. There is a
Yes.
society, there's home. In home also you find discrimination, inequality. Why they are
But
not
school plays
maintaining it
very
at
important
home in
role.
the
Sir,
society?
school
First, it
plays
should be
very
maintained
important
here
role
in the
for
home.
the
Then they should
learning.
go
but
for
it's
education.
but sir, ये तो fact, this is the fact that
No, ma'am, this
But
is not a
sir,
fact.
school
learning
has
is
an
very
important role,
important
sir.
for
It's
the
a fact.
learning. School
Because
plays very
School
important
has
role for the
Who's
learning.
denying? Who's denying?
Yes,
Everybody is
because
saying
plays an
school has an
important role.
important role, but it is not playing
but
a
sir,
better role in the kids'
because
life.
Sir.
I know the well, sir, I know the well, because I am from girls school. When I go to the college, that I went to the college that time, I feel shy in front of boys. I even I didn't ask anything
Okay,
to the professor or
I
the
would
teacher.
like to interrupt. First of all, we cannot take our own example. If you take your example, I would like to take my example also. I studied
Yes,
in
sir,
two
I am
types of
also co-ed
tuitions.
education.
In if when I used to study in
but I
co-education,
never.
I used to feel so shy. When I was there in the separate education, I was very much confident to ask to my
Yes, sir,
teachers
I feel
that
that.
what is there, what is that. I need to understand this thing. I used to go normally to my teacher and ask that please solve this question. But in the co-education, I
Sir,
was very
discipline
shy.
are better. Sir, discipline are better than the separate school in the co-education school.
No, ma'am. In the yes, in the separate education, discipline is
It's
there.
better.
Not better, not better.
It's there.
In the no.
It's better, ma'am.
Co-education has
I am also
co-education has very good discipline.
How it
How
is?
can you say, ma'am? In the
How can
separate
you say
education,
this?
there is also discipline, there is also rules, there is also regulations. Not in the only co-ed education. In the separate education, is also rules and regulations are there, and the students have to
depends.
follow them.
It depends on the, you know, whenever girls goes to the separate school or boys goes to the separate school, they feel shy everywhere. They feel
No,
shy
No, ma'am,
everywhere.
it's not
Yes,
happening.
ma'am.
And not
It's not
comfortable
happening.
with
They
each
If you
other.
have
can
to.
see,
They
no. I have an example,
separate
but
school, but I
but sir told you don't give your own example. That's why I didn't give.
Ma'am, I
I
would
will
like
not
to
give.
ask
Sir,
you
ma'am, me too.
how does confidence comes? Confidence does not come by
Sir.
facing opposite gender. Confidence comes by increasing knowledge.
Yes, sir.
If you have
Yes,
knowledge,
sir.
you will
It's true.
do everything. If you don't have knowledge, you
Sir,
will feel
everything
shy.
is
Definitely, you'll get
responsible for the
nervous.
confidence. Sir, everything is
No,
important
sir.
for the
Lacking of
confidence.
knowledge is
If
more
a,
responsible for the confidence.
So
but
before
sir, I give you a situation when
incidents happened in one study, there is only girls are studied, and there is five girls. Uh, Five girls ran out to the school and to the university, and they go to the corrupt place. So that is the situation happened in the Vanasthali. So it is not tell that only the situations is happened in the separate or separate. There is a separate cases are
type of
safe and
things, but not in 12th. These types of things we
None of
watch.
you answered my
Most of the
question why
institutes.
students are sitting separately in the classroom. None of you answered my question. Why they are sitting separately in the schools? Why this thing
Sir,
happens?
Gora ma'am
and
can this answer, can give this answer because she is the principal of the school.
no, it's a very small level. But I
Because
want
the
to
mindset
give
is
a
not
situation
developed.
when a girl goes to traveling in a travel in a bus, and there is both genders are there. But a girl who came from a separate gender schools, she is not comfortable, never comfortable with
No,
Sir,
opposite.
I have to.
And
Sir,
what about those who
I
are
am
studying
from.
since beginning? Those who are there in the
Sorry.
school since beginning, what about them?
In which school?
In co-education, those who are from the starting, they should,
Sir,
I think, feel comfortable. So why
the
there is a
girls,
separation from the beginning? There is a separation, ma'am. A child who is studying
Yes,
in a
sir.
play, there is a discrimination and there's inequality,
sir,
there's a
no.
separation
No, sir. In place
education.
of there
sir,
is
no.
no
Yes,
discrimination.
I have seen in so many play
No,
schools.
I have.
Sir, but I have
They
also
play
seen
together.
my
I agree. They play
I
together.
haven't seen this.
Most
They-
of the
Actually, sir,
schools,
I haven't seen
No,
this.
I have seen
Sir,
in
I
some of
haven't
the
done
schools.
possible
I'm not saying for all these
It
schools.
happen. Sir,
In nursery,
it
in
may be possible.
UKG,
It may be
in class
possible.
first.
It is all. It happens in the village area or remote area of the country. But in cities, we never seen this condition. Ke boys should be sit separate and
Ma'am,
girls should be.
I taught the classes UKG and first. In classes, the started
In which city? Ma'am, in
I
which
love
city?
you, I love you, I love you करके slips start हो जाती हैं.
These things happen by the
and
kids.
in first also. Yes.
I don't think so.
Yeah, these things
No.
are there, ma'am. Where are you living? These things are
I'm-
there in the
I'm-
schools. Small kids are doing these types of activities.
yes, sir.
Nowadays,
Yes, sir. They are doing.
Yeah, in 21st century,
They
these
are
things
doing.
are happening. They are more busy in these things rather than
And
studying.
nowadays, it's very important to learn to study in the separate school. I think so. In that time,
That's why.
in this time, it is very important.
And you know what is the situation of education system? You see what is the
My
condition?
daughter, I want
going
to
down.
separate school, but admission नहीं हो पाया. That's why I go for co-ed school. So you know,
In
Patrick's-
Agra, there are some schools, St. Anthony's, Peters. They are having separate education and they are good.
I'm
They are giving
from
better results.
QB, that also separate school for girls. And we are very free to do anything in separate schools.
In the separate
And
schools, it's
parents also feel
very-
secure when students are
power,
studying
yes,
in
sir.
separate education.
feel
They feel secure that
secure.
my
Secure.
daughter will not be harmed there, my son will not be distracted. So they feel secure that everything is fine. They are going there to study. They will study only, come back to home.
When
And
you
for
want to see that
improving,
only 6 or 4 hours is enough for their safety.
No, not
Out
enough.
of the
But
school, when
So, ma'am, how do you
when
know
the
in the 4
students
to
came
6
out
hours
of the school,
the boys
they
can learn the
they
equality?
need to
How do you
feel
say?
safe. Sorry.
How do you say, ma'am, in the 4 to 6 hours, the boys and girls can feel equality, can feel security with them?
Ma'am, at your home, in this all over society, both genders are equally gathered.
no, ma'am,
or
you are
boy is
wrong.
boy and the girl is
Genders are
girl.
not still equally treated. There's still in high society
In India.
in
That's
India,
why,
in
sir,
high
that's
society
why,
it
sir,
has been
school
seen
has
that
separated
there
the
is
boys and
there's
girls
a
by rows.
separation between son
Sir,
and daughter.
this is the reason, sir. This is the reason that in co-ed school, girls and boys has separated benches. They have separate rows in the co-ed school. This is the reason now because discrimination is there. Lot of discrimination is there.
But ma'am, you
Only
have
in India.
to only no, but ma'am, it's true. A boy is a boy and a girl is a girl. They are never equal.
But
It is
they right to grow. They right to grow to on the basis of facility, on the basis of education, and on the basis of opportunity.
Both
They
have
have
equal
is
right.
not there.
They have
I
right
say the boy and girl equal.
chance
Both
to
are
get
unequal
chance.
and never equal.
You know, ma'am,
How
before few days, before a year, what happened? Some boys made a group on Facebook. I think I forgot what was the social platform. So they made a group on that. Some girls were added, some boys were also added, and they were abusing each other. They were actually passing and they were leaking the photographs of the girls. I don't know why it happened and how it happened, but they were doing these things. And they all belong to
It
the
can
good
also
families. They
happen.
all belong to the
Sir, it can also
co-education.
happen in separated school. It also happen.
No, ma'am.
But there are some less
Yes,
chances.
ma'am.
Everything is possible. I do not say that this is not thing
Possibilities in separate
happens.
schools.
It is there, but there are less chances of
Less
these
possibilities.
types of things in the separate education. It is more in the co-education.
Actually, sir, crime comes from our mind and our mind from actually. We should need good qualities from the school and from the
That
families
is the
also.
reason why I'm saying first we should change the mentality. Mentality should
Yes,
be
sir.
changed from the
Mentality
home.
is responsible
It should be started from the home. First
from
there should be
from home.
inequality should be finished from the home, then in the society, after that in the
But
school.
sir, our Indian society is not like that. So,
So
how
school should
our
be
school get?
separated. Schools and college
So,
should be separated. If Indian
so but
society
we
is
need,
not like that.
but sir, we need this.
And all the students goes to the coaching. They are they take their photographs.
I'm
That
talking
types
about
of
entire
that
education system. I'm talking about entire education system, whether they are universities, colleges, tuitions, institutions, coachings, online, offline, everything. I'm saying for all that everything should be separated in the terms of education.
So, sir, half India for the female, half India for the male. It should be there. How
No,
we can
not
make a
at all.
healthy society?
Not at
Sir,
all.
how can
After
we make
completion of
a
their
healthy
study, they will
society?
be together. They can talk to
No,
each
sir.
other. They
No,
can be
sir.
each other.
No, sir.
When they become
So we
professional,
will
then they will
make a wall between the male and female. We are
no,
making
what
a
I'm
wall
saying,
between male and female from the beginning.
once kids become adult and they become mature, they should be together. They can work together. They can make friendships. They can do affairs, everything. But when they are small, why they are together? They should be separated.
No need to separate.
I agree,
Okay.
sir. They should
Okay,
be separated.
we have to reconnect the class. 1 minute is left only. Now I am ending it.